In this section, I'm going to cover some of the exam preparation topics where we'll see how to prepare and what are the procedure and what are the other details like the exam certification exam details and the verifying the status as well as the different types of questions, and then finally how to prepare for the examinations we'll see. So as per the contents, we already know the contents of the CCNA. So basically it is divided into multiple sections here. So we got this the different sections what you'll find for the exam, and this is a percentage of the questions you expect in the examinations. So probably we have already seen this content overview initially, and this is the first date from 2020 February 24 you'll be tested with this new CCNA exam.